What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike back with another Jedi Jumpman review. And today is Air Max Day, so I took a ride to the Nike outlet and I was able to cop a pair of Air Maxes. Nike Air Max 95s to be exact. And let's check them out. Regular Nike box, red and white, nothing too special. And then the size tag reads Nike Air Max 95, pure platinum, gorge green, size 11, my size. Okay, let's get right into it. Cool. Good looking sneaker. I like the colorway. I don't know what it is with green lately. I just picked up the metallic greens not too long ago. And then I have the Jordan SB Pine Greens coming. And then these pure platinum gorge green. So I don't know what it is. Good summer color. Let's take a quick 360 of the sneaker. Good looking sneaker, I think. Yeah. The 95 was inspired by Sergio Lozano, who was working with Nike's ACG department at the time. And it was originally for bigger runners who wanted to pound the pavement even harder. So this is what they got. We have a nice mesh translucent upper. We got suede in the middle here. That's all suede. And we have some leather going down this way. We have nylon eyelets, Nike branding on the tongue, nice padded ankle collar, Nike Air on the back, pretty cool, swoosh on the ankle. Yeah, to me, I think it's a dope looking sneaker. Very dope. Originally, these came out in July of 2022 for a retail price of $175. As I said, I went to the Nike outlet and I didn't pay anything near that. Nothing near that. Got a visible air unit. I believe that's green inside. I don't know if you guys could tell. Rubber outsole. I don't know what kind of material this is on the front. I don't know if that's some kind of synthetic or what. But yes, very dope looking sneaker in my opinion. Good summer sneaker. Good summer sneaker. Let's check out the other one. Other one looking just as good. Same thing. I like the reflective materials on these too. It's pretty cool, especially under a black light. Check out the bottoms. Those are pretty dope with the yellow in there. Nike Air. Good grip. Yeah. I love that air unit, how you could see it wraps all the way around, even to the forefront of the sneaker. Pretty dope. Let's check out the insole. It's got that Nike branding. I believe they call this the Prep School. Prep School Nike Air Max 95s. Yeah. Well, I hope you like this video, guys. Please like, subscribe, share. I'd really appreciate it. As I said, it's Air Max Day. Maybe you guys scored something as well. If you did, put it in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And everybody, have a blessed day. Take care.